Have a great day to all. Okay, question number 1. In an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC, the bisectors of angle A and angle C intersect each other at O. Join A to O, show that OB equal to OC and A bisects angle A. Now, in an isosceles triangle ABC, you know that very well. Isosceles triangle means two sides will be equal. So, AB equal to AC. So, in triangle ABC, AB equal to AC because that is isosceles triangle. Okay. So, first part over. Now, the bisector of angle B and angle C intersects each other at O. So, here BO and CO, that is a bisector of angle B and angle C, which intersect each other at point O and join A to O. Okay, then show that OB equal to OC. So students, to prove OB equal to OC, I am going to take two triangle AOB and AOC. Okay. If you prove that two triangle AOB and AOC are congruent, then you can say that OB equal to OC. Let's start. AB equal to AC, which is given. Okay, first part over. The second part, if two sides are equal, then you can say that opposite angles also equal. Now see this figure, AB and AC both are equal. What's the opposite angle of AB? Angle ACB. Now, what's the opposite angle of AC? Angle ABC. So, these two angles are equal. By the rule, if two sides are equal, then the opposite angles are equal. That is the rule. Okay. So, one side and angle over. Then next, OB and OC, that is a bisector of angle B and angle C. Bisector means which will divide that angle into two equal parts. So, you can say that angle B, half part of ACB and half part of ABC are equal, is it? So, just I am writing that half of angle ACB equal to half of angle ABC. Now, what's the half of angle ACB? Yes, angle ACO. Then what's the half of angle ABC? ABO. So from this step you can write angle ACO equal to angle ABO by the rule bisector. Then from this you can say triangle AOB congruent to triangle AOC by the rule side angle angle. So OB equal to OC by the rule CPCT. Okay, first part over. Now second part. OA bisects angle A. Okay. So now listen carefully. Just concentrate on the triangle OAB and triangle OAC. Okay. Already we proved that triangle OAB and triangle OAC are congruent. So from that you can say angle OAB equal to angle OAC by using the rule CPCT. So the line OA dividing that angle A into two equal parts. So you can say that line OA is a bisector of angle A. Okay.